Alright then, now that we've installed our React app, we still need to install some couple of packages to help us achieve what we actually want to build. And the first package we need to install is the Bootstrap. Then we go ahead and install React Redux and Redux. Then we need to also install React Router, and we need to also install Axios. So we're going to be installing all this right now. So to install Bootstrap, just go over to the Bootstrap's website and just copy this command right here. Go into your virtual studio code and just cd into frontend and actually run this command. So we're going to use yarn because we've been using yarn. So we're going to say yarn add, and this will go ahead and add that. So let's just wait for that to install. And another package that we're going to install is Redux. So what Redux actually does is let us manage our state. So it does it better than most packages I've heard about. So we're going to be using Redux. So let's just install that. I'm going to install this with Redux itself, and we're also going to install Axios. And the next thing we need to install is React uh, router. So let's just leave that for now and install these three packages. So that's running, and just wait, and let's just wait for that to finish running.